Hello, this is the immortal Rann, and I would like to talk to you about dinking. Dinking is a modality I created for creating a lot of space in a very small amount of time, making it easier for you to have flexibility and movement and access to change without obstacles and stubborn obstructions. Dinking is a form of collapsing anchor points. What do I mean by that? Well, anchor points are everywhere. So, anywhere that you are anchored to something, tied to something, or limited in movement due to a range associated with something, you're dealing with an anchor point. I usually say when you're existing in a certain degree of consciousness, you create anchor points in your life based on that level of consciousness. Then when you expand, when you become enlightened, when you awaken, when you become aware, that previous level of consciousness no longer applies to your new reality. Unfortunately, all of the previously created anchor points still try to rule over your new reality. Dinking collapses these anchor points. They fall like a house of cards. So these anchor points are used to build constructs, infrastructures, paradigms, systems, including belief systems that may or may not work for you, and something that may have seemed like never attainable before is possibly too small in your current or very near future. Collapsing these anchor points gets all of this disruption out of the way so you can create anew again. It is also possible to create anchor points with dinking. Now, why would you want to create anchor points with dinking? Well, if you're in a place where you keep creating the same old thing over and over again, you can collapse your anchor points, but then as soon as you encounter a similar subject matter, you're going to recreate those anchor points again. So when you create anchor points from dinking, you're actually holding greater space for yourself that disallows the recreation of previous standards, constructs, and systems that don't work for you anymore. You may know what these need to be, and you may not know what these need to be. Understanding and having full, complete knowledge of what those anchor points need to be is not required for dinking. Let's say that when you were a child, you thought $1 million was the most amount of money that ever existed. You will have already maxed out the possible amount of income for yourself, not because it doesn't truly exist, but because you've placed an anchor point in your reality that states it's the most money that exists. Collapsing that anchor point gives you more freedom to increase your salary, create more savings, or continue your salary on without having major emergencies show up that start dipping into your savings and income as if there's a hole in your pocket at all times. Most of the MP3s and classes of dinking are created around a very specific topic so that the sessions themselves can be extremely effective in a small amount of time. Personal dinking sessions address what you may be dealing with so that there's more of a collaborative effort in a wider range of categories in order to support yourself and your work. My name is Rann Goldrich, also known as the Immortal Rann. If you have more questions about dinking, please visit onenessiseverything.com, where you can find free audio samples of dinking MP3s, and you can also sign up for a personal dinking session with me.